to lodge their complaints with the local authority over noise pollution. Our appreciation is based on the fact that when we go in or when we move in to maintain order, to put order or sanity, we have the backing of the majority of people. Because here we are looking at the majority interest, the human rights of the majority who are complaining over the noise. It's just a handful of people who are making noise within the CBD, but the majority who come into the CBD every day are saying no. I think this is the reason why you see the migration of shoppers to shopping malls outside the CBD, because everybody wants to do their business in peace, in quiet, in tranquility.
My name is Maxwell Christian Chiketwao. I stay in Yumaku. I just visited the CBD to do my own business. So I went to an internet cafe that is next to Baba's. It's located on the first floor of what used to be Cuthbert's house. So on the other side of that first street, there is a lotto outfit which is advertising its lotto products, and then they are using a PA system to advertise their lotto products. But the PA system is making so much noise, such that myself, when I was inside the internet cafe, I was hearing that noise, which I feel is not okay. In a similar case, there is a butchery called Bellevue Butchery. It seems as if wherever you find a Bellevue Butchery, they will be playing this loud music as well. Those guys, I also approached them about maybe 2-3 weeks back and said that you are making noise with your loud music. And then the lady manager, they said to me that we are allowed to do so because we've got a Zimbabwe Music Rights Association license.
Right. One time I you think it's a music. 4 years. Business rakamira sei? Rufamba. Handiti. Tingatipa 4 years papo CD rechingani?
CD rechi 2.
Handiti. Pazuva tingati unotengesa ma CDs mangani? Anenge achiita mari. Takakupa pfungwa yekuti yozozvitengesera muroad chii? Noise netika pana apa noiona
noise yakanaka iyi inotika inondowaredza pabasa rangu nondashupika indiyatomozwa ogaga apa zvove zviika zviri nani waiziya because pane zviri kuitika zvekuti notosenza makanyarara unenge mafiwa zvichushupa waiziya.